Unlock the power of automatic content generation with Pictory and AI. Pictory, the world's leading AI video maker, is taking the next step in its artificial intelligence revolution. Utilizing AI capabilities, Pictory Advanced Artificial Intelligence, AI, can now automatically extract golden nuggets hidden deep within your Zoom, Teams, and webinar recordings. This technology works by recognizing key themes and important information from audio and video recordings. It then collects this data into a single secure storage location for easy access. The AI uses sophisticated algorithms to search through your recordings quickly and accurately to find relevant moments that can be used for marketing purposes or simply shared with others. This helps businesses save time by eliminating manual searches of hours-long recordings, allowing them to focus on their core operations instead. Pictory's AI also provides valuable insights into customer preferences and behaviors based on the content collected from their conversations. Pictory is the latest video content creation tool that helps brands create short, highly shareable videos from their long-form content. With Pictory, businesses can quickly transform their existing blog posts and articles into engaging, bite-sized pieces of video content perfect for social media platforms. The process for creating a video with Pictory is simple and straightforward. First, choose your existing post or article to be transformed into a branded piece of video content. Once you've selected your source material, you'll then upload it to the Pictory platform, where it will be automatically converted into an eye-catching short-format video that's ready to share on your social media accounts. With Pictory's easy-to-use interface and advanced tools such as animated text overlays and custom branding options, creating high-quality videos has never been easier. AI technology has revolutionized the way we interact with content on social media, making it easier to quickly extract long videos and create engaging content. AI-based automated tools have simplified the process of extracting information from long videos, allowing businesses to take advantage of the latest technologies without sacrificing quality or accuracy. Pictory is an innovative artificial intelligence (AI) platform that automatically creates short, highly shareable branded videos from long-form content such as webinar recordings. This cutting-edge AI technology processes and analyzes the content to create a concise, captivating summary of the material that can be shared across multiple channels. Pictory's AI works by breaking down recorded events into easily digestible components using natural language processing algorithms and machine learning techniques. It extracts important information such as topics discussed and key points within the video, while also recognizing entities and keywords in order to generate keyword-rich titles for short videos. The summarized clips created by Pictory's AI have proven to be more engaging than traditional text summaries, leading marketers to use this innovative technology to improve their content marketing strategies. No technical skills are needed. In just minutes you can have short social videos that you can add captions to. Downloading is easy with just one click, uploading to any social platform. AI-based tools are changing the way businesses create engaging videos and distribute content on social media. They can help you transform your old blog posts into gold by adding AI-based image captioning and zoom-in images wherever necessary. Most of these tools are based on the machine learning and automation technology stack. They use big data, AI, and ML to make machine learning predictions and create optimized content. It's important to note that these tools can only do what they do when you feed them with data. Therefore, it's crucial that you make use of them to their fullest potential. If you are not currently creating content, you are losing out on an opportunity to grow your business. Similar to blog posts, video content is a great way to engage your target audience. But it's also a great way to lose potential viewers if the content isn't properly captioned. Video captioning systems are only as good as the data they receive. If you aren't creating enough content, you are missing out on captions for your videos. Thankfully, machine learning-based captioning AI tools can help you caption your videos in real time. They can help you caption your videos in real time, without manually captioning every single video. After all, you don't always have time to caption every video you create. The bottom line is that webinars are an incredibly effective way of driving leads and generating sales. They're also a great way to improve your bottom line. You can do this by creating better, more engaging webinar recordings. To get the most out of webinar recordings, you need to be creating a consistent amount of content for your blog. You also need to be incorporating videos into your blog posts. This will help you produce captions for your videos and extracts for your blog posts. It will also help you create zoom-in images and image captions wherever necessary. With Pictory's AI technology, adding video to any project has never been easier or faster. It eliminates the need for complex technical skills and high production costs that used to be associated with creating videos. By using Pictory's easy-to-use interface, businesses can quickly create interactive and engaging videos without ever having to write a single line of code or leave their office. The AI automatically combines images and text into a rich media experience that engages customers and raises brand awareness in a fraction of the time it takes with traditional methods. Plus, its cost savings make it the perfect choice for businesses looking to stay on budget while enhancing their content offerings. This AI-based text-to-video app allows users to create videos quickly and easily by simply inputting text into the application. With Pictory's Deep Swap AI technology, users can take advantage of automatic content generation tools that enable them to instantly convert text into stunning visuals on video. Unlike other text-on-video apps, Pictory's Deep Swap AI technology utilizes artificial intelligence algorithms to automatically generate content without any manual effort from the user. The platform automatically generates visuals that match the context of the given text and ensures maximum engagement for viewers. Get Pictory today and grow your YouTube and